guys, this is Sayed. I'm here at one of the meat facility in all the way from Toronto to Leicester. We are upgrading feed water valve from honeywell to Siemens. So this modulator was from honeywell. That was installed before, and we replaced with Siemens actuator. So this is our giant Hawk boiler, steam boiler. So this is a steam boiler, obviously gas-fired steam boiler, probably around 500 horsepower, and the working pressure 150 psi, firing rate 16 million BTUs per hour. That's my gas train. That's a Siemens gas valve. My vent termination. So this valve opens when the boiler stops and all the gas goes outside of the roof, outside of the building. That's my appliance regulator, 5 psi, my inlet pressure. That's my steam header, my exhaust, my water column, transmitter. That's a differential transmitter. This transmitter sends water level inside the boiler and sends signals to this guy to keep open and closed. So we installed this level control. That's a fusion. So this guy will control those actuators. We did all this field wiring. So now shortly we are going to start this thing up. The boiler removal is too noisy, so I hope you will get my voice properly. The noise always, there is always noisy going on. So finally the boiler is running now. Job done.